and security forces and diplomatic police have high presence, and they have tried to control the situation because the people, the students are chanting a slogan. Sometimes they may get angry and they want to shout something or chant something, chant and throw something at the embassy. So they have tried to control the situation, and so far everything is under control of the police and security forces, and the people are still, university students are chanting slogans, and of course we are getting close to the end of this protest gathering so far. The announcer of this gathering has already announced somehow the end of this protest gathering, but university students are still around here. They are somehow getting away from the protest. Somehow we expect it to end anytime soon, but everything is okay. So far what we had today was a kind of a strong protest from the side of the